Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change video brightness in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to change it. We are going to Settings, then in Advanced Features we have our video brightness. Not here, here. So right now we have normal option selected, so our video will use our screen brightness. But if we want to change it, we can do it. So right now, temporarily increase the screen brightness and make colors more vibrant when you watch videos. And here we have every application that is allowed to play our videos that is installed on our phone. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.